Hello and welcome to this comprehension task. So let's read through this together. The Earth is losing its forests. Presently, tree covers about 30% of the Earth's surface, but they are being destroyed at an alarming rate, especially in the tropics. Timber harvesting is a major reason for the destruction of the forests. Trees are used for building houses, making furniture, and providing pulp for paper products such as newspapers and magazines. At least 40 hectares of rainforests are being felled every minute, mostly in order to extract the valuable timber. Another way that man is destroying the world's forests is by burning them down. In the Amazon, for example, forests are being burnt down at a rate of 20 hectares a minute. The main reason for this is to clear the land for farming. Farmers in rainforest countries are often poor and cannot afford to buy land. Instead, these farmers clear rainforest land to raise their animals or grow their crops. Because tropical rainforest soil is so poor in nutrients, farmers cannot reuse the same land year after year. In the following years, farmers just clear more land. So in other words, they chop down more trees, destroy the forest piece by piece. Already more than 30 tropical countries have reached a critical level of forest destruction, and one-time exporters of timber such as Nigeria and Thailand now have to import timber for their own domestic needs. And the reason they have to import timber is because they've run out of trees. Should we all get excited and worried about the loss of forests? Yes, we should. Healthy trees are a vital part of the environment and keep the entire balance of the atmosphere. Agreeable to all life forms. Forests are catchment areas for rainwater, holding the rainwater in the leaves of the trees so that it will not sink so quickly into the earth's crust. Furthermore, the forests help maintain the water cycles in the area. The masses of clouds that provide the rain are formed over the moist forests. Thus, the destruction of forests may also lead to a reduction in rainfall over the area, resulting in drought. So from that first paragraph, let's just summarize this very quickly. So in terms of forests are very, very important to us because trees actually absorb carbon dioxide, which is dangerous. So too much carbon dioxide in the planet is very, very dangerous. And they release oxygen. So obviously human beings and animals need oxygen for breathing. At the same time, they're a very important resource for animals and other habitats because you have so many animals that live in the rainforest. And those animals are also vital for everybody around the world, from insects such as bees to normal insects that basically spread seeds around the forest to grow new trees, to animals in particular such as monkeys and other bigger animals which actually feed from the trees, and they disperse more seeds into the environment. So forests are very, very important. So please do read the rest of this particular text in detail, and you've got some comprehension questions for you to answer thereafter. And we'll go through these questions one by one and have a discussion point in our next lesson. Thank you and good luck.